Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us in our fast-paced lives. Let's talk about burnout. If you've been feeling drained, overwhelmed, or just not yourself lately, this video is for you. I'll be sharing practical tips to help you manage burnout, restore your energy, and reclaim your well-being. So grab a seat, take a deep breath, and let's get started on your journey to feeling better. First, let's talk about the power of pausing. When you're burned out, it's easy to think you just need to push through. But what your body and mind really need is rest. Step away for a few minutes, take deep breaths, and clear your mind. Even short pauses during your day can make a huge difference in recharging your energy. Next is rethink your priorities. Burnout often comes from trying to do too much. Take a moment to look at your to-do list. What can wait? What's really important? Focus on the tasks that truly matter, and don't be afraid to say no when you're feeling stretched too thin. Another big one. Move your body. It might feel counterintuitive when you're exhausted, but light movement can do wonders for your mood and energy levels. A quick stretch and a short walk. These small breaks get your blood flowing, clear your mind, and help reset your focus. Now let's talk about gratitude. Burnout often shifts our focus to what's wrong. But taking just a few minutes to write down what you're grateful for, even the small things, can help you regain perspective and boost your mood. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of quality sleep. When you're burned out, your body is crying out for rest. Create a bedtime routine that helps you unwind. Dim the lights, put your phone away, and give yourself the time to fully recharge. Good sleep is the foundation of recovery. So there you have it. 5 simple steps to help manage burnout. Pause, prioritize, move, practice gratitude, and get the rest you need. Remember, burnout doesn't go away overnight, but with small changes, you can start feeling like yourself again. You deserve to feel energized and well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Health Options 101 for more tips on managing stress, boosting energy, and living a healthier, more balanced life. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and see you next time.